Hi and welcome. Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Polka Dot Pal's Faces 4x6 clear stamp set. This is going to be a great addition to your Polka Dot Pal collection. You're getting 6 additional facial feature stamps, 4 sentiments, and then of course you're getting some detail stamps in there as well. This is going to be a great way to change up the look of each of these little characters and just have fun with them. Now I want to hop over to the Whimsy Stamps website and let's scroll through the Polka Dot Pals collection together. Here I want to show you some of these Polka Dot Pals actually come with a little facial feature stamp included in the set. Some of them don't. You can mix and match all of these sets. You can create amazing scenes with these. You can change the look of them, and this new Faces stamp set is really going to give you the ability to add different looks, different personalities to these little cuties. So many things you're going to be able to do with this stamp set. Also, you can check out the coloring scenes. They're digital coloring scenes for these images on the Whimsy Stamps website. For more information on the products I've shared in the video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. Please know how much we appreciate you, and until next time, take care.